Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly apply your press-on nails to make sure that they do not come off and they do not pop off. We want your press-on nails to last you at least a week minimum with nail glue. So that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. So I showed the cuticle pusher, the alcohol wipe, and here's the nail glue. All of this, which I provide in every order for your press-on nails. I'm also showing you the mini nail file. And next I'm going to be showing you a nail buffer, which is definitely not mandatory. It's more of an option, but starting this Wednesday, I am going to be providing nail buffers with every order as well. So everything you see in this video right here is what I provide for every order. So the first step is pushing your cuticles back. You want to push your cuticles back just to make sure there's not any skin getting in the way of adhering your press-on nail to your nail bed. So you are going to have some excess exposed cuticle that kind of grows up higher than the rest, and those little pieces of cuticle you could just file off, which I'm going to do later with my little nail file. So you're going to repeat this on every single nail, and you're just going to push them back, not too rough, definitely do it gently, but do it just enough so that your cuticles have space to move back, and so you have space to slide your nails kind of underneath your cuticle so that your nails look closer to acrylic nails than they would press-on nails. So we want to give the most realistic look possible, and here I'm doing it to my pinky. And again, just be gentle with it, take your time with it, and you will get beautiful results. So there's that. And next I'm going to be taking my nail buffer, and I'm just going to be buffing my nails one by one. And you could also be pretty generous with this. The nail buffer is not going to hurt your nails at all. The nail buffer is pretty gentle, but just do it gently. Again, take your time, don't rush. And something else I did also want to say is do not apply any lotion or oils or anything like that to your nails before applying your press-ons. So you want your nails to be free of all oil, which is why we're buffing off the shiny layer, the shiny surface of your nail, because your natural nail contains natural oils, and those oils will cause your nail to fall off. So it is kind of the same process with acrylics as well. So I know if you go to get your acrylics done, they buff your nails or with the drill before applying your acrylic. So it is the same process, but this time you're doing it on yourself. So it's all about how you apply them, and your nails will last you for sure. So now I'm just cleaning up my cuticles a little bit more by taking my mini nail file and just gently filing off little pieces of cuticle that I see that are exposed that I would like to take off. Right now you can take the chance to also file down your nails if you see that they're a little long, if you want to even them out. I do provide 2 mini nail files with every order, not just one. So, and then something else I did also want to mention is that the mini nail files do have double sides as well. One of the sides is a little bit of a rougher grit, which is the pink side. That's the side I'm using here because I really do want to get it off, but I do switch sides off. The side doesn't really matter, but that's why they're different colors, because they're 2 different grits on each side. And again, just repeat this on all of your nails one by one. And you don't want to touch your nails either while you're doing this process, because the whole point of removing the shine is to take off oil. I know I just said that, but I just want to repeat it again. And when you touch your nails, the tips of your fingers could have oils from food or from your phone or from anything that you could touch. So while your nails are being prepped, this is the most crucial part to make sure that your nails are not being touched by anything. And from here, the next step is going to be to take out your alcohol wipe. This is how my nails look after buffing. You have a lot of dust, so we're going to grab our alcohol wipe, we're going to open it up, and you're gently going to clean off all of the dust of your nails. Alcohol will also take off any oils. If you do happen to get any oils, we'll also clean that off for you. And save your alcohol wipe just in case you need to wipe off your nail for whatever reason, which I'll show you in a bit. So this is how they look after. They look pretty nice and matte. They don't really have any shine whatsoever. They look really clean and perfect base to apply your nails onto. So we're going to grab our glue. This glue, they do come brand new, of course. So you're going to have to snip off the top with some scissors. And once you do that, you're going to take your nail. Make sure you match up your nails with the correct finger as well before you do this. And you're going to apply glue on both your nail and on the fake nail, the inside of the fake nail. This is a great tip that I learned from a very talented nail artist on Instagram, Mo_Nita_nailed it. I saw this in her video and I thought it was a great tip to just make sure that you get really good adhesion when you're applying your press-on nails. So again, I put some on my real nail and then I'm going to put some in the inside of my fake nail. And we're just going to go ahead and stick it on. Don't apply too much glue because you don't want it to run over to the sides, which is what happened to me here. So sometimes the glue can come out a little fast because I cut the hole pretty big. So if you cut the tip of the glue down really far, the hole will be really big and the glue will come out really fast. So just be aware of that and be careful. But again, this is what I mentioned earlier. You can take your alcohol wipe and simply just clean it off and it'll be good as new. And here I'm showing you how well the nail fits from side to side, making sure that everything is good to go. I barely applied it a few seconds, as you can see I was already tugging on it and it did not come off. It did not pop off at all because the way I prepped the nail was really well done. So now we're going to repeat this process on all of our nails. So now I'm taking my index finger, again, sizing it just to make sure that it fits correctly. And I'm going to put my glue on my nail. Again, being generous, focus it more towards the center because when you press your press-on nail onto it and you're putting pressure on it, the glue will automatically run to the sides. So try to focus your glue more towards the center of your nail when you're putting it on your nail bed. And that's how it looks. Make sure you're holding your hand very straight. You do want your hand to be straight because, of course, you don't want to put your nail on crooked. And especially if you're prepping your nails right, it's going to be very hard to take your nail off and put it back on if it's crooked. So make sure that you're holding your hand very straight and have it on exactly how you want it. And if you guys were interested at all in what color this is that I used on these nails, this is the color Eggshell from D&D DC Collection Gels. I actually just made these nails to make this video. I made them super quick and I had never used this color on myself, so I was like, might as well try it. And I realized it looks really close to my skin color, but I kind of ended up liking it in the end result. So here I sped up the video a little bit and I got a little glue there, so I cleaned it off. Just going to my pinky, and this is how it ended up looking in the end. I try to get a little cute ring to make the video look cute, and they look beautiful. You can barely even tell that they're press-ons. I can't even tell. And here I wanted to be a little aggressive with my nails. I wanted to show you guys exactly how strong they really are. So I started banging them on my granite countertop for my table, and they're super sturdy, super strong when you apply them this way. You should not have any nails popping off anytime soon whatsoever. So your nails should be really sturdy, really strong. And again, I hope this video helps you guys apply, and I hope your nails last you a really long time with this technique. Again, everything that I just showed is included in every single one of my press-on orders. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.